This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barbara Wall. Stunning riverfront lot in Indialantic, lovely estate home west/Chicago brick exterior and shaker shingle roof. Charming design west/multiple open porches. Functional floor plan and beautiful marble and wood accents. The highest quality materials and craftsmanship. Approximately 130 front feet on Indian River west/private covered dock. 0.64 acre property. Brand new electrical panel. New carpet and fresh paint. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Wall at 321-308-0335.